So just making some chopsticks because I couldn't find any in Tesco's. Damn you, Tesco's. So here we go. I'll show you the process. It's super complicated. I've got some sticks here. Chop it with loppers to make a stick. I think perhaps the curve will be annoying because it will get in the way of operating them properly. So I've tried to choose straight bits. This is Willow, so as far as I know it's not toxic or anything, and anyway we're not actually eating it, so the juices should be okay. Anyway, so yeah, so you get some loppers, chop a bit of stick off, pick some straight bits, make sure you have a look at, you don't use something like, what's a good example of a poisonous thing which you might use by accident? Rhododendron, I think that's poisonous, don't use that. This is Willow, that's probably fine. Hazel, that's nice and straight and probably not poisonous, so you could use that as well. Anyway, so yeah, so chop some chopstick length things, and then I've got a knife now and it's whittling time, and just shave off the edge with the knife to end up with like that. I mean, you probably don't even need to take the bark off if you're being a bit crazy. And then on the end, I've like not sharpened it, but just, wow, great camera, isn't it? Just sort of rounded it a bit using the knife. So it's like you're sharpening a stick as you would for a marshmallow, but at a more oblique angle. So you end up with yeah, so you end up with like a rounded end. So there you go. I probably won't die. Maybe some video of me actually eating with them later on. Cheers.